What?
Good morning, broski.
Good morning. I have to have a Dr. Pepper to fuel me.
Every day. What's always drinking this?
Not every day, not every day.
Okay.
Most of the time, most of the time.
Well, guess what? I have to get cavity fills.
I'm gonna record all of this for you guys, like the numb on the mouth, because she's coming back to school.
Yeah, I have to come back to school.
And during lunch, she won't be able to feel her tongue either, because I've had to get a tooth pulled and I know how this feels like. So she won't be able to feel like right here, so I'm gonna record her trying to do this, but she's gonna go like this. And then I'm gonna record her eat because there's probably gonna be food falling out of her mouth because you can't feel your tongue either. So be prepared for great content in this video.
Ew! Let me see that. I'm gonna put it in the vlog.
Let me say that. Now you can look at it.
He just took this picture of me. It doesn't even look like me.
You and my story.
I believe this bitch has never did your fucking sweatshirt. So like we can't freaking burn it. I need to get Colby's back from Alexis. Stephanie Mars to the office. Stephanie Mars.
Okay.
Okay, where do you want to go?
On it. Go by the one at school.
Okay.
Pokles.
I'm vlogging.
Yeah. Hey, vlog. We're doing homework.
Yeah, trying to get those grades right. Don't have to
Finals.
fail.
We wanted to get exempt from those.
Right. Or else you just can't hear me.
Jump, 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 jump. Only one of you.
Oh.
I mean, that's the fun of you.
It's raining, by the way, if you can't tell.
About me.
A-B. Oh my god! Faith, you got me soaking wet! Oh my god.
I be really. I like that. Marshall, she won.
Good job. Bye, guys.